Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use draw tool in Audacity software. As you know, Audacity is used to record or edit your voice recordings. If you don't know how to install Audacity software, then please visit our channel and check out our previous videos. You can easily learn by watching one video how to install Audacity software. Now in this short tutorial I will teach you how you can use draw tool in Audacity software and for what purpose draw tool is used in Audacity software. So first of all, open your Audacity software, double click on your Audacity icon and it will automatically open your Audacity software. Now you have to import one audio file from your computer. Go to file section, import, and then click on audio. You can also press from your keyboard control shift plus I. If you press control shift plus I from your keyboard, it will automatically open this browse option. Now I will select this audio file. Now we have imported our audio file. So let's discuss how to use draw tool in Audacity. Here is draw tool, which is used to pick up beats when we zoom in our audio track. So you can see that if we press F3 from our keyboard, it will automatically activate the draw tool. Now if we want to use draw tool, we have to zoom in our track as much as possible. Now you can see that this is not still working, so you have to zoom in more. Here you can see that we are able to use our draw tool. In this way you can play with your audio file at the very depth level. If you want to reduce a person noise or a sound, then you can use this draw tool and remove its noise permanently from your audio track. So in this way you can use your draw tool in your Audacity software. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and check out the video description for more details. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.